There are 4 primary ways to raise money to start your business. 1, cash, your cash. So this is simply working and saving up money that's going to be needed to fund your startup. Now, this may mean taking on another job to save a little faster. This may mean selling goods, selling stuff that you don't need or don't use anymore to help raise a little bit more funds. But this also means that you're gonna need to kind of scale back on your lifestyle. Maybe you're not gonna wear as fashionable of clothes, maybe not be able to travel as much or go hang out with your friends on Friday night. But some of these things are the necessary things you have got to do to raise the funds to start your business, because the number one thing you need is the money to start. Without that, you don't have money to buy the product you need, invest in your inventory, staffing, or even rent your or purchase your first location. At the end of the day, what do you want more? Do you want to start your small business and start that dream? Or do you want to hang out with your friends on Friday night more? And that's a decision you have to make. The second way is credit cards. Now this one, guys, can be really, really tricky with interest rates and lack of management of credit cards. But obviously credit cards are going to give you an open credit line to help buy the things you need for your business. It's important to pay your bill on time because the late fees and interest rates can really eat away at your bottom line to allow you to scale and grow your business and invest in inventory. When possible, pay your credit card bill in full every month. That's going to provide a couple different things. 1, you're not going to pay late fees or any interest. It's basically same as cash, which is going to help your bottom line. 2, that's going to allow you to build your business credit way faster, which is going to open up a lot more opportunities from a funding standpoint from banks or private equity firms down the road to help scale and grow your business. Number 3 is investors. You can have friends or family invest in your business for agreed upon loan terms, or you can have people buy stakes in your business to help raise funds. You can even network to meet with wealthier people who are looking for investment opportunities. The wealthy are always looking for things to invest in so they can be even wealthier. You can also do this when you're just looking to scale your business as well, not necessarily just as a startup. Number 4 is banks. Now with this one, it gets tricky because banks are very risk averse. So you're gonna need a great business plan, enough money for a down payment or collateral, as well as a high enough residual income to service the loans that a bank is going to offer you. This is extremely important at the start as you build your revenue or down the road if you hit a rough patch. The banks want to loan money. After all, that's how they make money, but they can be a little risk averse depending on the industry you're in. As an example, the gym industry, they're not huge fans of. It's a very competitive and very expensive industry to get into. And I can tell you this from personal experience. So if you're choosing to use credit cards, banks, or investors, it's important to remember, guys, that they're gonna get paid before you do. It's important that you live the appropriate lifestyle that's gonna allow you to support the growth in your business, because if you pay the credit cards, the banks, and the investors first, and they can see the growth, they're more likely to invest back in you when you need to scale and grow the business. So make the necessary decisions that's gonna grow your business in the long term, not the short term. In a day and age when everyone wants to be an entrepreneur and live the lifestyle, you have to understand that you're not going to be living the lifestyle up front. That comes down the road as you invest your time, invest your money, and grow your business. Because even when you make money, you got to take a bunch of that and invest it back into the business. This is what's worked for me. I hope it helps you guys out as well. Please click on the link to subscribe for more information.